Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz, he has to stop saying lots of bad words because, for him, it's really offended. He's not saying about bad words, ha? Just like I was told by Kuya Bear, I will not pray for him. I will not say the Lord will handle him. The Duterte supporters will mob at him. They will angry at him. Oh, why they're angry? Because it's not right thing to say bad words. Over at Tatay Digong, Rodrigo Duterte, and you saying about F word, Mark Cruz, Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz, when you say the word fuck word, just stop with your bad words. Shania Kiana said to me, in the IOCC in school, they say bad words, they're yelling, but she doesn't know what really happened is. At least that one of our classmates are not saying bad words. You remember Yvette, Crystal Dulce Rado, um, Yvette had curses of bad words at Teacher May, and she said about, what's that word? When she angry anyway at Bill Galang when he came early. She say about the F word, while Nicolo and Jens were still afraid. They're scared of Yvette. As you can see, um, Yvette had made lots of mistake. She apologized to Teacher May sincerely that she will never say bad words. Oh, me, I apologize, Teacher May. I say bad words in Tagalog words. I curses Prince Gun last 2019 before pandemic. I know I made a mistake. Why I accuse you, Mark Cruz? Why I lash you out? Why I bash you in social media? Why I bash you in Instagram threads? You are wrong. That's why you are wrong. Your parents did not realize your attitude is just like um uh no morality. Is this very nice? Is this a teachings of Jesus? Can say bad words? I say again, Mark Cruz, me as a Mashiach Muslim, I know about Jesus. I know about Imam Ali, the father of Jesus. Or King David of Palestine, I remember. That was the uncle of Jesus. If I say again, Mark Cruz, your profanity word or your F word that came back from your mouth, it's not a teachings of Jesus. Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz. I've been told by Luis Cabales and he said to me, hindi po yan tinuro ng ni Jesus ang pagmumura. Mark Cruz, when you say a bad word in social media, you should never say bad words. You know that. I mean, do I say bad words at Nanay Ningning? Do I call her an asshole word? For me, I made a mistake for Nanay Ningning. I apologize to her. But for you, Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz, don't call me an word an asshole. Don't call me what is that? What you call me? What you call me an F word? You call me an SOB word? And you call me where does that he said before? Motherfucker word. I don't want to say that anyway, folks, because it's really offended. Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz, you are wrong. That's why Paula Colin Nunez said to me, hindi po yan turo ng Diyos yan ang pagmumura mo. She said it. She criticized Mark Cruz. It's very wrong. Thanks to Paula, thank you Paula Colin Nunez for recommending to Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz. At least I never accuse Paula, I never accuse her, I never attack her. I just heard it from her lesson. No? Paula says that foul languages came back from Mark Cruz is not a teachings of Jesus. It's not a teachings. That's why everyone will hate you. Juan Carlo Pabale hates you too, because you say bad words. Oh, you know Mark Cruz. I say again, if you say bad words in Baguio City, oh, I've been there in Baguio City for second time. The first time I visited in Baguio during the time of Atehana. That was the second time. Oh, the first time I visited in Baguio, I was with Bayi and Cristimbal. I was with with my I was with Kuya Mike and Ate Michelle. And I realized when I made my YouTube vlog, in Baguio City, they prohibited foul languages and nasty words or nasty language. That was prohibited. If Mark Domingo Cruz had visited there in Baguio, if he say a bad words there, he would get lots of penalty. Oh, you know Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz. I say again, enough about bad words. It's really insult. It's really insulting anyone, insulting people. It's full of negatives. You know, Christian Mingito, your friend Mark Cruz is not a really teaching of Christianity. It's a teachings of insult, and it's not teachings. As I'm a Shia Muslim, I never say bad words. I never say bad words. Oh, do I say bad words? Do I even curse anybody? Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz, with all due respect, apologize to Rodrigo Duterte. I curses teacher May in Messenger. I call her the word F word in English. I call her the Tagalog words called PI. I apologize, Teacher May. Sincerely, she has a colon cancer. She has a stage 3 colon cancer, and I apologize to her that I curse her bad words. Oh, even in YouTube, I deleted that too. Oh, I curse her bad words, and I know I was very angry, and my psychological distress, I was very angry. Oh, I apologize, Teacher May. Oh, sincerely, it will never happen again. For me, Mark Cruz, if you apologize Rodrigo Duterte, Tatay Digong, don't do that again. Don't curse Rodrigo Duterte, because I know Sara Duterte, she will never forgive you, because that sorry is not enough, Mark Cruz. If you repeatedly you say public apology, or you want to apologize Sara Duterte, or you want to repeat sorry, or you want to be repeated all the sorries what you said, if you want to apologize sincerely, don't do that again. Alright? Because in my content video in my YouTube, I'm not making profanity. I'm not saying bad words. I am here just to tell you, Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz, to educate you, to re-educate yourself. You know, like I was told by J. Rick Silva. Sabi sa akin ni J. Rick, maiiwasan sa'yo, like I said, Maraming kaibigan galit sa'yo. Oh, iniwasan ka pala ni Carlo Pabale. He wants to left you in a friendship. Because Carlo Pabale, he doesn't like bad words. He realized that he made a mistake. He doesn't want to say bad words. Just like me. Unlike Carlo Pabale, when he say bad words, he doesn't want to say bad words. Me, unlike Carlo Pabale, I don't want to say bad words. I read in Quran. I read in Islam. I never want to say bad words. Just like Robin Padilla, like, I want to tell you something, Mark Cruz, bad words is really bad. Show respect to your loved ones.
Mamatay na po. 10 minutes pa po.
Because as I realize, if you're born again Christian, Mark Cruz, same as Christian Mingito or Paula Nunez, even Shania Kiana, do not say bad words, Mark Cruz. Do not say bad words. In Bible, when you say bad words, it's not teaching. I know, Mark Cruz, you watch 700 Club Asia. You realize your sin, you realize your mistake. You should never say bad words. And do not say about what you're saying, it's nasty words, your foul languages. Can you just do not say bad words many, many times, Mark Cruz? You're insulting everyone. I am here to make my opportunity to everyone. I just want to tell to the parents of Mark Cruz, even his mom, discipline your son. Reprimand your son that he is wrong. Why I bash your son, Mark Cruz, in Instagram and threads? He is wrong. Why I accuses him in Instagram threads? Why I attack him? Why I insulted him? He is wrong. He is wrong because he is wrong. That's why, like me, I've been scolded by Teacher May. I was wrong.